Hi, what I want to do today is just give a really quick dummies view, if you like, of HTML code, you know, what it is and how you would need to use it when you're just first starting out. Basically, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and if that makes any sense to you, then you're a lot wiser than I am. But really what you need to know is that it's just computer code, and you put that code around any text on a web page and it makes the text either look differently or act differently. Same with your images. So if you want something, you know, to stand out, to be bold, or something that you're using as a title, the way that you do that is to use HTML. And let me just show you very quickly how easy it is to learn it. When I was writing this post here, you can see that we have a visual view and a HTML view. And usually whatever software you're using will give you that ability. You'll be able to see things, how it's going to look on the internet once you know you've got your website all done and dusted. But it will also give you the source so that you can check that everything's working right and that you've got all of your codes in there properly. And when you do something, you know, so if you wanted to bold a word, you would just click there, you know, B, or you would italicize it, or you would maybe want to change the color of it. Okay, now if we just change the color of that, so if I make it red, okay, you can see that it's changed color there. If I now go over to the source of that, you can see there's the code that it's put in front. So that's the color, and it's telling it, you know, we want this word to be this color. Okay, and after the word it ends it by just really again using the same symbols here, the little chevrons on your keyboard, the more than and the less than symbols, and putting a forward slash in there to say, right, that's the end. We don't want that color to actually carry on throughout the rest of the text. And pretty soon, if you get used to doing that, let me just put that back actually, because I don't want it to be red, so let me just put it back there. If you get used to checking the HTML view whenever you're creating anything, you will pretty quickly pick up all of the different codes that you would need to use, you know, to make something bold, to make it a different color. There is actually a very good website that gives you a whole list of all of the HTML codes, and that is websource.net. Okay, I have actually got a link in the post there, so go check them out. They give you all of the codes that you would need for HTML, but it's really, you don't need to know great detail about it, but you do want to know the basics. Okay, and that's it. It really is that simple. Just, you know, use your little chevrons there and put in the code, change your text, make it into a link, make it bigger, make it into a title, you know, do whatever it is that you want to do with it. It's fairly simple, and we'll catch you later.